Recently notified ITR forms are quite detailed and seeking few details that may shock you, like cash deposits, foreign travel, and electricity bills. Yes, Income Tax Department is asking these details now. Welcome to CA Consult Research. Changes in all ITRs. Cash deposits. If you have deposited amount or aggregate of amounts exceeding rupees 1 crore in one or more current accounts during the previous year, it needs to be reported in income tax form now. Foreign travel. If you have incurred expenditure of an amount or aggregate of amount exceeding rupees 2 lakhs for travel to a foreign country for yourself or for any other person, it needs to be reported in income tax form now. Electricity bills. Have you incurred expenditure of amount or aggregate of amount exceeding rupees 1 lakh on consumption of electricity during the previous year? It also needs to be reported in income tax form now. Next is key changes in presumptive taxation section. Presumptive taxation has been one of the easiest way to file your returns and show nominal profits to department. But this is no more the case now. You have to provide few critical details like cash and bank balance movement during the year. So, this section is still available, but you need to be cautious while filing your ITR. Income Tax Department is seeking more details under presumptive taxation, that is details of all bank balances and cash balances, wherein they'll be looking for opening balance, receipts during the year, payments made during the year, and closing balance. This entire summary is nothing but the summary of your cash and bank account, which will definitely help them to analyze your transactions using the artificial intelligence. Key changes in ITR 1, generally used by salaried individuals. This form can now be filled only if you are eligible and satisfies the given criteria, that is, having income from salaries, having income from one house property. I repeat, from one house property. If you have multiple house properties, you cannot file this ITR form. Having income from other sources, which may include interest, commission, etc. Or if you have agriculture income up to rupees 5,000. This form can now not be filled by the individuals who are either director in a company or has invested in any unlisted equity shares. This form can be filled only if you are under the category of individual and resident, other than not ordinarily resident, and having income up to rupees 50 lakhs. So people who have income more than rupees 50 lakhs are now not eligible to file this ITR form. This was the CA Consult Research. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel below. Thank you. Stay safe and healthy.